This is a really easy and delicious grilled shrimp recipe, and it all starts with a marinade for grilling shrimp. But first you need to devein jumbo shrimp before you grill them. So to do this, remove a shrimp from the bag, peel it over a bowl. We like to use gloves, and then leave the tail on the shrimp so it's easy to hold when serving. And then you need to set the peeled shrimp on a plate or another surface that's easy to clean, and use a paring knife to cut a line down the length of the shrimp and then to remove the vein. Toss the shrimp in the mixing bowl, and then you're ready to add the marinating ingredients, which is going to be some chopped garlic, curly parsley, salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice. You definitely want to marinate the shrimp before grilling it because it adds so much tasty flavor, but don't leave it in the fridge for more than 30 minutes because the shrimp will get a little bit mushy. So once you're ready to head out to the grill, you just want to preheat the gas grill to high, which is going to be about 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and grill the jumbo shrimp on high heat for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes with the lid grill closed over the direct heat right above the flame. You want to flip the shrimp and grill them for another 1 to 2 minutes more, or until they're kind of curled up, they turn a little bit orange, and they're done with an internal temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This is such a tasty recipe. Grilled shrimp is a great appetizer for a barbecue party, and so many people can enjoy it, and you could just make like 2 or 3 bags at a time. Just like I said, make sure to thaw them overnight before grilling them, and you are left with a delicious appetizer. We'll print out this recipe and get some other tasty grilled recipes, and also learn how to smoke shrimp on a pellet grill like the Traeger. All of that's waiting for you at Sip Bite Go. Here's just a look at these coming off the grill. They're so tasty. Look at those herbs on top. So delicious. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!